Drones target Ein Al Assad military base housing U.S. forces in western Iraq. Two combat drones hit targets inside Ein Al Assad about 160 kilometers west of Baghdad on Sunday morning, said Sabarine News, a Telegram news channel associated with Iraqi Popular Mobilization Units better known by the Arabic name as #al-Shabaab. The report said C-RAM and Patriot missile systems deployed at the base were not able to intercept the aircraft. The security media cell affiliated with the Iraqi Prime Minister's office, however, said the drones had been shot down. No group has claimed responsibility for the attack yet, which is the latest in a series of assaults that have targeted U.S. occupation forces over the past few months. Back on May 24, a barrage of rockets landed inside the same airbase. An unmanned aerial surveillance system also attacked Ein Al Assad on May 8, and a hangar for military aircraft was damaged as a result. The attacks come amid growing anti-U.S. sentiment, which has intensified since last year's assassination of #al-Shabaab deputy head Abu Mahdi al-Mohandes and the region's legendary anti-terror commander Lieutenant General Qasem Soleimani in Baghdad. 2 days after the attack, Iraqi lawmakers approved a bill that requires the government to end the presence of all foreign military forces led by the U.S. in the country. On January 8, 2020, Iran hit Ein Al Assad with a barrage of precision missiles that left more than 100 American forces with traumatic brain injuries, according to the Pentagon. Iran described the missile attack on Ein Al Assad as a first slap. On April 8, Iraq and the U.S. said they had agreed on the eventual withdrawal of U.S. combat troops from Iraq, and that the two sides would hold talks to work out the timing.